What if you could cut years off your debt and save hundreds every month? In this video, I'll show you simple debt and budgeting strategies you can start today, with real examples. Debt drains money and energy. The good news, with a plan you can reduce interest, avoid future debt, and build real savings. Step 1. List every debt. Not just cards, loans, store cards, overdrafts. For each, write balance, interest rate, minimum payment, and due date. That clarity is power. Step 2. Choose a repayment method. Avalanche attacks the highest interest first, it saves the most interest. Snowball attacks the smallest balance first, it builds momentum and keeps you motivated. Both work, pick the one you'll actually stick to. Step 3. Call creditors. Ask for lower rates, ask for hardship programs, and shop for a consolidation loan only if the interest and fees are lower than your current cost. Consolidation can simplify payments. Step 4. Stop the leak. Pause credit card use while you focus on repayment. Use debit, cash envelopes, or a single card with a strict rule. Every new charge makes the job harder. Step 6. Budgeting methods, 50/30/20/0-based/envelope. Let's talk budgets. 3 methods that fit different personalities, 50/30/20, simple split, needs, wants, savings. 0-based, assign every dollar a job. Envelope, great for spending categories, cash or virtual. Pick the one you'll follow. Here's a concrete example. Monthly take-home income, $3,000. Using 50/30/20 rule, 50% needs equals $1,500. 30% wants equals $900. 20% savings and debt equals $600. If you can reduce wants by $300, you can put that extra $300 straight towards your debt every month. Now a payoff example. Using the debts from earlier, store card, $600 at 25%, minimum $30. Credit card A, $4,000 at 20%, minimum $80. Personal loan, $6,000 at 10%, minimum $120. Minimums total, $30 plus $80 plus $120 equals $230. If we free $300 from the budget, extra pay equals $300, so total monthly debt payment becomes $230 plus $300 equals $530. 2 ways to apply the $300, Avalanche, pay store card first, 25%, then credit card A, 20%, then personal loan, 10%. Saves the most interest. Snowball, pay smallest balance, store card, first, then next smallest, great for momentum. Pick the method you'll maintain month after month. Automate your payments so you never miss a date. Use a simple spreadsheet or an app to track balances, payments, and next due dates. Set reminders and automations so your plan runs on autopilot. Track progress weekly, review monthly, and celebrate milestones. Paid off one account? Celebrate it. These small wins keep you motivated for the long game. Recap. 1. Know your debts. 2. Pick Avalanche or Snowball. 3. Negotiate/consolidate where it helps. 4. Stop new debt. 5. Build a mini emergency fund. 6. Use a budgeting method that fits you. 7. Automate and track. Try the example today. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.